Did you know that you can actually use AI to remove background noise from your guided meditation recording? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to achieve the best quality sound for your meditation recording. And we're going to do that in less than 60 seconds using Studio Sound Inside Palette for free. So let's get into it. So here I am in my Palette's dashboard. So in case you don't know, Palette is a free software that allows you to record and sell guided meditation and other wellness audio content and create it and also sell it. So you create your free account and you will be directed to this dashboard. The first thing you do, you click on this voiceover button in the middle. That's gonna create a voiceover project. In this case, I'm gonna call it simply meditation recording, and you can both record and also upload. For the sake of this tutorial, I have a recording ready, so I'm going to click on upload, and then I'm going to select my sample recording. This sample recording is quite short, so it's just 60 seconds, so it was very fast. So let's take a listen. Take a slow, gentle breath in and slowly breath out. Allow your body to soften and relax. So this is a recording that I've done myself inside my at home. So it's not recorded in an actual studio. As you can hear, it's very quiet. And what we want to do, we want to remove the background noise or any noise that is in the recording, and also we want to make it louder, more polished, balanced, nicer, so we can then take this voice and bring it to the actual guided meditation project and start adding music and other sound effects to that. So in order to do that, it's actually inside Palette. It's very, very simple. You simply click on it, and then if you come down here, it says Studio Sound. This section, you see a golden bar around it. That's Studio Sound, and once you select it, you see a number shows up 1, so it means you can actually select multiple audio clips. And what Studio Sound does, it actually removes the background noise using AI, so it's trained only on human voice, so you cannot remove background noise from other instrument recordings. So let's say if you have a singing bowl recording, you cannot remove the background noise from that, because this specific model is only specifically trained on human voice. So anything that is not human voice, it's going to cancel out. So just keep that in mind. All you do, simply click on it, select it, and you press that Studio Sound button, and it's going to start doing the processing. Depending on the length of your audio clip, it might take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And once that's done, it's going to re-upload the audio clip. And as you can see, even visually, the audio clip looks much, the audio waveforms are much taller, which means the audio is louder and it's balanced. So let's take a listen again. Take a slow, gentle breath in and slowly breath out. Allow your body to soften and relax. Simply rest in this moment, breathing in calmly, breathing out peacefully. And there you go. That's how you remove background noise from your meditation recording using AI with just one click.